Today, we will be showing Fred, one of our longtime SAP customers, how to use the SAP Road Map Explorer. The SAP Road Map Explorer is an online interactive tool that showcases SAP's latest roadmap content by product, process, industry, and key topics. Fred wants to use the SAP Road Map Explorer to find the right roadmap information for his company's digital transformation.
Hi, Sally. I'm not really sure what type of roadmap I need to look at. Where should I start?
Hi, Fred. You can use the search bar and type in the topic of your choice. You can also use the top bar and browse from the different categories.
Oh wow, that was easy. I'm going to choose SAP S/4HANA Cloud then.
Great! To better help you understand S/4HANA Cloud, a Kanban board will appear with your initial roadmap.
With these panels?
Yes, the panels divide the roadmap into quarters for easy viewing. You can even use the top right corner to customize how you view innovations.
What are innovations?
Another great question. Innovations are SAP's product features. Each box on the Kanban board represents one innovation. Innovations are grouped by business capabilities, and these business capabilities are arranged alphabetically.
This Kanban board has a lot of innovations, and it's a bit overwhelming. How can I narrow it down?
The arrows on the top right of the panel allows you to change how you view the boxes. You can also choose from the filters to narrow your roadmap. The time horizon filter is also very useful as it lets you manually select quarters you want to see innovations from. Once you're happy with your filters, you can click on each box to view the innovation details.
Wow, do they all have an overview and benefits section?
Yes, they do, but for delivered innovations, meaning the innovations have already been released, there is also additional information such as features, technical view, and even screenshots for some of them.
I believe Jason from IT would be interested in seeing this innovation. How can I share this with him?
On the top right, there is a share button giving you a link.
That's great, but what if I like multiple innovations, but I don't want to send multiple links?
That's easy. You can create an innovation list. Go back to the Kanban board, click on the arrow on the top right of the box, and add it to your list. Then, you can go to My Roadmaps and click on the sharing feature. You can also favorite it by clicking on the star button, so it is easy to spot on the Kanban board while you are browsing.
What if I like the whole roadmap?
You can also save the whole roadmap by clicking on the button on the top right corner, and it will automatically save under your account. Another feature you might like is also our download feature.
I can download the whole roadmap?
Yes, an organized Excel sheet will be downloaded to your computer so you can continue to slice and dice the information offline.
This is amazing. Can all customers use this tool?
Yes, you can visit roadmaps.sap.com and sign up for a free account using a valid email.
Great! I'll tell my coworkers to sign up and start exploring. Thanks, Sally.